Hello there, I'm Dylan, having a bad day. The tripod that I've been using since the end of 2016 just decided to, well, the cable in this thing snapped, so this is useless. This is my Satellite L745 from Toshiba, and it's a decent laptop, but it's 6 years old, but that's not the biggest problem. The biggest problem is that I've got no battery for it. So I went out and got a battery from lazada.com.my. 65 ringgit. Yes, this is going to be a handheld video because, as I say, my tripod's broken. So it comes in this cardboard carton. $5,200 milliamps, which is kind of small for a laptop battery. And a bit of a foam. Let me just... Got a bit of foam. And we got a bit of paperwork here. Not too much literature, just enough. This side is in Chinese. And then this side is in English. Very interesting. Please discharge your battery to 8%, then fully charge it the first time. Well, I have to read this because this is a very interesting piece of literature. And we got another soft pipe from over here. So the paperwork, well, it's most likely shipping details. Let me just confirm that. Yes, it's indeed a receipt of shipping details. So as you can see, I bought this from 65 ringgit, and it is a Toshiba Satellite L745 battery. Okay, and that's actually the invoice. So let me just toss all this aside, and this is the battery itself. Comes with this nice anti-static reflective. Okay, go ahead and open this thing up. And that is the battery. So I've actually bought a replacement battery for this laptop before, and it looks exactly the same, the label. Interestingly, the label's about to come out. Okay. Got the grooves to grip the battery, the connectors. Okay. This battery is capable for all those models, 10.8 volts, 5,200 milliamps. That's that. Do not expose to high temperatures above 60 degrees Celsius. That's actually, I wanted to talk about that. This laptop idles at 60 degrees Celsius, so whoops, the battery's not gonna last long, but as you can see, my connector there is gone bye-bye, so it should just slot in like this. Man, I haven't had a battery in this laptop. That void has been empty all along, and it's a bit hard to get in, which is a bit why is it so hard to get in? I really hope my connectors are not like rusty or anything, but they shouldn't be. And yes, I am indeed missing screws, but no worries about that. Okay, laptop battery goes in. This laptop uses manual connectors, and let's see whether it works. I should be reading the literature a bit before opening. And this laptop is now even more heavier than it was before. And as you guys can see, no power cord, and it's booting up. And for those wondering, the reason why I can handle this, like throw it around, is because this thing has a solid state drive, not a hard drive, and that's why it boots up really quickly. But yeah, now I've got a battery. Let's just quickly showcase the battery charge level. So it comes 96% battery life. So yeah, does it tell me how long it can last on a charge? It says 2 hours and 3 minutes, which isn't that long, but it's a 6-year laptop, and hey, I can now take this everywhere I want to go. According to the invoice, this is a 400 gram battery, and let's see whether it charges. Got a light there, and it's charging with the orange indicator there. awesome. Like so many things I have purchased from Lazada, the literature which is in English, I can't understand Chinese, so I can't evaluate that side of the paper. But the English, I would like to say that the English could be better. Yeah, and I think that now will be the end of the video. So thank you for watching.